So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 99,750 and it did drop towards 97,300 area. Of course, it only went towards 97,777. Our target was 97,300. So it didn't go all the way down, but I told you that after losing 102,500, the journey is 97,300. Now that's almost what, $5,000 drop. What else do you want? it's a $5,000 discount on your next purchase if you were buying a full Bitcoin. Anyway, jokes aside, the good thing is that it held on, the support held on, but the bad part is that we had a retest very quickly of our 102,500 area. It went up to, it didn't hit 102,500, but you can see it went to 102,300 and something. This is called retest. It's called retest of the resistance. When you lose a support, what happens is that your support turns into a resistance. I have explained this concept previously as well. Support is your floor, resistance is your ceiling. For the person who is living above me, the ceiling is the support for them, but it is a resistance for me. So if that person falls through a hole and crashes down and then suddenly the hole fills up, let's say, this time when he will try to go up, he will hit his head, he will bang his head. Sorry, it was a letter that just dropped, if you heard the sound. He will bang his head on the ceiling and would not be able to go up. That is exactly what the retest is. So resistances are basically your previous supports. It's a very sweet and sour relationship that we have in financial markets. So now for us to go up, we need to break above 102,500. It doesn't mean that it has killed our hopes and dreams of $120,000. They are alive as long as we hold 97,300. That is the last straw. That is the last hope that Bitcoin has for 120K. If it loses 97,300, then we have to assume, okay, that finally the journey towards $85,000 has started. It is long overdue, by the way. So that is bound to happen. I mean, way more will happen, but that's the minimum requirement we are looking for. And we did see that Bitcoin was playing inside this range, hitting the area up, the upper resistances, then lower supports, and finally now there is a crack. There is a crack in the floor. It is trying to bounce back, of course, but the thing is, will it go up or not? It's easy to tell. If it doesn't break above 102,500, there is no upward journey, and you will be just playing between 97,300 and 102,500. But if it loses 97,300 and it is so kind to you that it just continues to crap itself and goes down, it will make your life easy. You will be easily able to tell. Now for upward, for 102,500, it needs to live above that area for more than 2 days. So we could assume that it is conquered, because it can do a lot of fake outs. It can go and touch, but none of that is considered to be holding. For the 97,300, you just need to spend 8 hours below it before we assume it is gone. So with 97,300, we don't need to assume 2 days concept. If it loses it for more than 8 hours, we have to assume that downward journey has started. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. There's nothing else to add. Some people will blame the Chinese AI. It's called Deep. It was posted by my analyst in the Telegram as well. It's called DeepSeek. DeepSeek AI buzz. It wipes out $1 trillion from the stock market. And of course, if stock market is fucked, crypto market gets fucked as well. This is the beauty of it, which is something that a lot of people deny. That's why they didn't like my video on 2025 financial crisis. So, because I used the stock market for the analysis of how the economy is fucked up. Anyway, that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.